Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Claude to generate test cases automatically, helping you save time and improve the quality of your software testing process. Whether you're a developer, QA tester, student, or someone learning programming, creating test cases can be a repetitive and time-consuming task. Fortunately, Claude can help automate much of this work when given the right instructions. First, let's quickly understand what test cases are. A test case is simply a scenario used to verify that a piece of software behaves as expected. Good test cases check normal usage, edge cases, invalid inputs, and situations that could potentially cause errors. For example, imagine you have a login form. Instead of manually thinking of every possible scenario, you can ask Claude to generate them for you. A simple prompt might look like this. Generate comprehensive test cases for a user login page that includes email and password fields. Claude will typically create test cases covering successful logins, incorrect passwords, empty fields, invalid email formats, account lockouts, and other common scenarios. However, you can get much better results by providing additional context. For example, generate functional, negative, boundary, and security test cases for a user login system with email, password, password reset, and two-factor authentication. The more details you provide, the more relevant and complete the generated test cases will be. You can also ask Claude to organize the output into a structured format. For example, generate test cases in a table with columns for test case ID, description, steps, expected result, and priority. This makes the results easier to review and use in real testing environments. Another useful technique is providing actual requirements or specifications. For example, based on the following requirements, generate detailed test cases. Then paste your feature description, user story, or software requirements document below the prompt. Claude can analyze the requirements and create test cases specifically related to those features. For web applications, you can request different categories of testing, such as functional testing, UI testing, validation testing, security testing, performance testing, accessibility testing, API testing. You can even ask Claude to focus on a single category if needed. For example, generate only security-focused test cases for this password reset feature. Developers can also use Claude to generate unit test scenarios directly from code. For example, analyze this Python function and generate unit test cases covering normal inputs, edge cases, and error conditions. After pasting the code, Claude can identify possible inputs and expected outputs that should be tested. A great prompt template you can reuse is act as a senior QA engineer and analyze the following feature and generate comprehensive test cases. Include positive tests, negative tests, boundary conditions, edge cases, insecurity considerations. Present the results in a structured table. This prompt works well for websites, mobile apps, APIs, desktop software, and many other types of applications. Remember that while Claude can generate excellent test cases, it's still important to review them. AI can help identify common scenarios and speed up the testing process, but human judgment is still valuable for understanding unique business requirements and real-world user behavior. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.